Dear students, welcome to the Al-Handasah YouTube channel. This is our second lecture in cracks series. The most 7 common types of cracks in concrete. First, plastic settlement cracks. Plastic settlement cracks form while the concrete is still plastic during the initial setting of concrete. At this time, blood water is still rising and it covers the surface while the aggregate in cement settle under the force of gravity. This separation forms a weaker layer of concrete near the surface. These types of cracks occur on the surface before the concrete has set. Plastic settlement cracks are often identified in deep section pores such as on top of beams in columns. Waffle slabs where there are changes of depths are also prone to plastic settlement cracks. You can see a plastic settlement crack in this picture. Also this one. Impacts of these cracks. Plastic settlement cracking that is identified as small and fine, less than 1 millimeter in width, is generally deemed acceptable as part of minor settlement. Occasionally, some plastic settlement cracks can be wide at the surface and may extend to the reinforcing steel or other types of restraining elements. This may expose the reinforcement steel to the elements and increase the risk of corrosion and thereby pose a threat to the durability of the concrete slab. Further drying shrinkage can potentially lead to full depth cracking of the concrete slabs. Fixing of these cracks. In pre-hardened concrete, revibration or mechanical retroweling of the surface are the most effective methods of repair, closing the cracks shortly after they have formed. In hardened concrete, cracks may be recut with a concrete chaser and filled with suitable material. This is the best method to help improve the durability of the surface and prevent a corrosive environment developing around the reinforcement. You can see we can remove these cracks by retroweling, and also we can remove these cracks or remedy these cracks by concrete chaser. This is the another solution. Minimizing these cracks. A good quality concrete mix with shrinkage, compensating cements, air entrapment. Ensure that the concrete is fully compacted and vibrated. Increase the cover of concrete to reinforcement steel to minimize the likelihood of cracks forming at the surface. For footings, wetting the soil prior to the pour avoids excessively water loose from the base of the concrete. Ensuring that the formwork around the slab is rigid during placement. Placing the concrete in deep sections first, such as beams in columns, reduces the likelihood of differential settlement. As a general rule, depending on weather conditions, the new concrete placement is advised to be poured less than 45 minutes against concrete previously placed. Otherwise, the development of cold joints may occur. Thank you, dear students. This was the first crack we talk about. Inshallah, in upcoming lectures we will study these 7 cracks step by step.